Hey loves, so today we're gonna go through my empties and I'm gonna share with you all the products I've used up and let you know what I think is worth it or not. So grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get into it. First empty I have is something that I have been talking about since I first started my YouTube channel because it actually works. And that is the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. This is the best deep conditioner I have ever used. It's definitely in my top 5 because I have some other ones that I keep in rotation. But I think this is one of my most OG hair products because I've been using this since I used to bleach my hair. When I discovered this, my hair was falling out in clumps. It was so dry and brittle and damaged, and this helped to restore it. So that's why this has been in my hair care routine ever since, because I always go back to it. It definitely works with restoring my hair, making it feel healthy, stronger, softer, and it smells delicious. This is definitely one of the best smelling hair products in general that I've ever used. So if you need a new revitalizing deep conditioner, you want to bring your hair back to life, I highly recommend this. And it does say, I think it could be for multiple hair types, I'm pretty sure. It just says dry, damaged, color treated hair of all textures. Every product contains a blend of omega rich macadamia, argan oils, and ingredients to smooth frizz, retain moisture, and add shine. 100% agree. This is another one of my holy grail products, Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This is also a detangler, a thermal protectant, all the things, but it actually does cut drying time. I notice a huge difference when I use this versus when I run out and I don't have any and I'm trying to blow dry my hair. It takes so much longer and my hair doesn't look as good. Really gives it that soft bouncy look, and I can blow dry my hair in like 10-15 minutes. I just use a regular blow dryer. I have one from Eva NYC that I love, and I'm very generous with this product. I spray it all over from the root to the ends of my hair and it does not weigh it down. Originally my hairdresser actually put me onto this, and I have been using it ever since. At this point, it's been almost 2 years. As far as supplements, I do recommend a hair, skin, and nail vitamin if you're trying to grow your hair out, which is what I'm trying to do. And I notice that anytime I am consistent with a multivitamin like hair, skin, and nails, it does make a difference. So there's a ton of really good brands out there. Honestly, I feel like there isn't really one specific one that works better than the other, but this is just the one that I'm currently taking. I'm on my 3rd bottle currently. It's from Pure Encapsulations. It's just the hair, skin, and nails ultra vitamin. And of course, make sure to do your own research, look up the brand, ask your doctor if you're able to add any new supplements if you're interested. I really like these. I do notice a difference. I feel like mostly with my nails that this does help my nails to grow faster and just to overall look better, especially my fingernails. So I use press-ons, but sometimes I rip off my nails. I know you shouldn't, but it damages my real nails. But I noticed that recently, since I started taking these, my real nails, they're not as bad versus before. Another hair product is the Heritage Root Touch Up. I have the shade dark brown. I need to actually see if they have a darker one because my hair is not dark brown, it's black, but I still love it because it is so quick. It dries really nicely and it's a temporary root cover up. So if you have any grays or you have any roots that are grown out, this is such a quick and easy fix, and it smells really good too. All the hair products that I mentioned are chef's kiss with the smell. I typically really like these kind of sprays whenever I put my hair back, like half up, half down, because then sometimes it looks like they're little like bald spots or whatever, but they're not. It's just because your hair, you know, depends on how you part it or whatever, but you literally just spray this wherever needed and it gives you that instant refresh and that color without any mess. Almost done with the hair products, I promise, but this is just the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. I bought this just kind of on a whim because I needed a new shampoo and I just grabbed it because it was really affordable. And I love Dove. It smells really good. Now, is this going to be my new holy grail shampoo? No, but it does have a nice lather. I like how clean my hair feels after I use it, but it's good. I would repurchase it, but it's not like holy grail status for me. I'm currently using my K18 shampoo, the detox one. That one is so good. That's a pricey shampoo, but I actually do notice a difference, especially with product buildup and my oily scalp. And then this is another detangler that I love. I actually used to use this when my hair was super long and I'm missing it so much. I want my hair to be long again, but I know we'll get there eventually. But this is the Garnier Pure Clean Detangler. This is the most lightweight, amazing detangler. Pretty much spray it all over right when I get out of the shower, and then I go in with my unbrushed, brush that through, and then I spray my blow dry spray from Kenra, and then I go in and blow dry my hair. So that's kind of like a little bit of my out of the shower routine, but this detangler, I love it. I know technically I could just use the Kenra, but I really like the way my hair feels with both of these products. I don't know, it might be like a little placebo effect, but I love it. I love the combo. I love the way both of these make my hair feel, the texture, everything about these. They're also very lightweight. It doesn't weigh my hair down and make it look greasy heavy. I just washed my hair last night actually, and I used all these products. They're the best. So this, I actually need to get more of this at the drugstore. It really works. And it says it on here, detangles hair with no weigh down. It is more of a milky consistency. I love the way my hair just brushes so seamlessly with this. And then with this brush, doesn't really look like much. It's just, once again, the unbrush. It is so good with removing any knots and tangles, and it's so effortless. Even whenever I curl my hair and I want to brush through my curls, I like this because it is such a lightweight kind of brush. It feels so nice in the scalp, and it really does brush through tangles so seamlessly. Next up, I have my Rock Derm Correction Contour Cream. This is just a face and neck cream. If you guys have any favorite neck creams that you swear by, let me know, because that's actually my mission, is to find the perfect, very luxurious, creamy, hydrating neck cream. Although I do think this one is actually pretty good. It wasn't life-changing, you know, like I've repurchased it twice, but I think I want to try something different. So if you guys have any other favorites, let me know. But I do like this brand Rock though. Their retinol is also really good. I'm using that also in the evenings, and they have good skincare. You can get them at the drugstore. I have a Korean skincare brand, House of Dawa. This is the Rice Bran Facial Moisturizer. So this is a gel moisturizer, and I love it because it is extremely hydrating. I really like this in the evening just to seal in all of my serums and other skincare products. It is amazing. I would definitely repurchase. I really like Korean skincare. It makes your skin feel so plump and supple. I really like this. So it's a basic cream, but it works. So this is a really good evening gel cream moisturizer. It gives me the perfect amount of hydration without feeling like it's too much. Now I have another moisturizer. This one I don't really love it, and it's unfortunate because I love e.l.f., but I think they have better moisturizers than this Gel Yeah moisturizer. It's not bad, but it's just not that hydrating. It almost feels like when you put it on, it feels like a gel, but that's it. You apply it, and then it's within just a few seconds, you touch your face, and it doesn't even feel like you have on any type of moisturizer, like you didn't put anything on. So it doesn't even feel like a primer in a way, because I feel like even their primers have a little bit more hydration than this. It just doesn't give me enough moisture. And I thought it was going to be a dupe for the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Cream, which is one of my favorite moisturizers under makeup. Has a very pleasant smell though. And like I said, I really do love e.l.f. skin. Their skincare's good, but I think they have better moisturizers. And even from the Holy Hydration line, they have a regular cream moisturizer that I think is better and just more hydrating than this one. So would not repurchase. I have another skincare product that I have been loving. I incorporate this in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, and that is the Tier Milk Skin Toner. I love how hydrating this is, but it's also just very soothing. Like, it makes the skin feel really nice. It's a good step, I think, before makeup or just for other skincare products. So spray my face with rose water, spray it with my Dalba spray, and then I'll go in with my toner, and I'll follow up with my other serums and products after that. And it is so nice on the skin. I currently am using the same toner, but the light version. I like this one more. I just find it to be a little bit more hydrating. The light version is truly light. I think it absorbs a little bit quicker into the skin and it dries quicker. So maybe if you don't want something as hydrating, get the light version, but I like this regular one a lot more. And the packaging is also really nice. Like, this feels luxe. So I have a tiny little bit here, but you just take this on the back of your hand and just press it into your skin. It feels like you're putting on water, but then once it fully absorbs, you touch your skin and it just has like this really light milky layer, and it feels so good. And then you're ready for the rest of your skincare routine. So I love it. Tier has a lot of good skincare products actually. Then I have my Paula's Choice Niacinamide. This is the 20%. So it's just like a little dropper. I usually do a full dropper, sometimes two, and then just put it all over. I'm currently using this now. I use this in my nighttime skincare routine. I notice instant results whenever I use niacinamide. So if my skin is dull, if I'm breaking out, if I have texture, I'll do my nighttime skincare, apply this, seal it in with a moisturizer, and I wake up the next day and I can notice a difference with my skin. It looks better, it feels softer. So it's a really good treatment, and this one is 20% niacinamide, which I really appreciate. So I've been loving it. I use this probably, I would say, twice a week. I don't really mind splurging on Paula's Choice skincare because pretty much almost everything that I've tried I love, and I actually do notice a difference. So this is a really good treatment. I have my little Britney Spears Curious perfume. The nostalgia with this is so real, but I'm like trying to see if I can get a little tiny bit out. You know how sometimes there's a little leftover spray? There it goes. But oh my gosh, you guys, this perfume is everything to me. It just brings me back. You know how scents are associated with memories. That's why I love good old Britney Spears perfumes, but they last so long on my skin. I've talked about this before, but this one specifically I think lasts the longest. Like, I'll be in the shower sometimes and I can still smell this on me. It's crazy, but it's such a pretty, sweet, girly kind of scent, and I always just like to keep it in the mix. I mix it with other things, and I love to get these typically at Ross. That's where I find most of my Britney Spears perfumes, so if you like them like me, definitely check out Ross. I have like all of them, but I think Curious is my favorite. The dry down is so pretty, and for some reason it lasts an eternity on my skin. I'm not complaining though, but it is an empty for a reason. Okay, so if you know, you know. Me and Dove, we're like this. Dove body washes. I've tried so many, you guys. I've even tried high-end body washes, but nothing compares to Dove. The Deep Moisture, if I could only choose one body wash to use for the rest of my life, it would be this one. It's pretty much everything that I want in a body wash. Setting sprays do not stand a chance when they come to me. I go through them so quickly because I feel like a lot of people, either you love setting spray and you swear by it, or you don't and you don't think it works. I'm one of those people where I do think it works. I notice a difference in my makeup routine if I am not using setting spray. Of course, one size until dawn. This is a special occasion setting spray for me, so I don't use this every single time I do my makeup because it is so intense and it could be a lot, especially if my makeup maybe is already on the matte side. I won't spray it, but it's such a good mattifying hairspray for your face kind of spray. For an affordable spray, Make It Last Matte from Milani. This is also always in the mix, and typically with matte sprays, I like to focus them on my T-zone, wherever I get the most oily, and so that way I don't have to touch up as much throughout the day. So if you want an affordable option, Milani Make It Last. You got to get the one in the black packaging though if you want the matte version. The original is nice. It's just literally a natural finish kind of spray, so it's not going to really alter the finish of your makeup. And they also make a bigger size of this as well. So if you go through this really quickly like I do, get the big size. Once again, For Air Beauty 4-in-1 Always an Optimist spray. It gives me the perfect touch of dewiness and my makeup looks lived in and pretty and fresh, but it doesn't look like it's melting off. Also have gone through so many of these because like the way that it comes out too is so nice. It's even, it's just very lightweight and refreshing. My favorite combination is actually spraying this to marinate all of my powders and just make my makeup look a little bit more fresh, and then I'll go in with a mattifying spray over top once this fully settles, and it's just the perfect little combo. So this is a really good spray to incorporate too with other mattifying sprays, just to give you a little hydration beforehand, because sometimes if I just spray the one size, it could be a little bit too matte and intense and I need a little balance in there. So the Rare is just everything. Did you think we were gonna get through a whole empties and I wasn't gonna talk about my Tree Hut shave oils? The vanilla one is a given. Love this one. But I also tried out the Ocean Glow, which I know technically is like a summer scent, but it's actually a really light, refreshing floral scent. I don't know. It smells really good, the Ocean Glow. I also really like their body butter from this line. Shaving oils are the best. If you know, you know. I know there's other brands I think now that have shave oils, but I don't know if I can get myself to try something else because this just works so well. I also find that even though it is an oil, it doesn't feel too greasy or oily in the shower. I also really like the Moonlight Glow. This smells really good too. I just did also a full video on my favorite scents for the fall time, and this is a really good fall scent, the Moonlight Glow, because it has a little bit of a deeper tone. I literally go through these like water. I shave more now versus before. So those are all of the empties. I did really good. I know we have a bunch of repeat products, but you know how it is. When I love something, I'm not gonna shut up about it. If you guys are interested, I will have everything that I mentioned linked for you down below. Let me know what products you guys are using up, the things that are always, if you were to do an empties, what's always gonna be in your empties? Because you know, for me, it's the shave oils and the body wash. I mean, duh. I feel like shower stuff is just like inevitable, but I would say also setting sprays, because like I said, I go through these so freaking quick because I use them all the time before and after makeup. But yeah, leave me your empties and favorites down below. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every week, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.